What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I finally got these carbon fiber mirrors you guys been hearing me talk about in the last few videos. They showed up last week. Got them from a company on eBay, and I'm not going to try to pronounce their name because I know I'll mess it up, but I'll pop it up on the screen here, and then I'll put their link in the description if you guys want to try to get some. This is them right here. Well, this is one of them. They did a real good job on them. Nice forged carbon fiber. And I was looking for forged carbon fiber parts because I didn't necessarily want to go with the regular carbon fiber weave on the car. So I had to make sure I was going to be able to get other parts in forged carbon fiber, which was pretty hard because not a lot of companies make them, but some companies, if you ask around, if they make it in a carbon fiber, they might be able to make it in forged carbon fiber for you, like, as a one-off. But when I was looking for the mirrors and the wing that's going to be coming, initially no company would do it. They said, oh, we just don't make them, we only have them in carbon fiber. So some months went by, I was in Colorado, so I asked again because I saw this same mirror on one company, on another company on eBay, but it didn't have the lane assist cut out. So I asked them, they said no. They only had that one off. So I asked a few other companies, and this company finally responded and said, yeah, they could do it. And they just happened to be the lowest price one. I think everyone else was like over $2. These were like $169, $159 or something. So of course I looked into the description and everything, made sure there was real carbon fiber, not just an overlay like some companies doing. They were real carbon fiber. So they said they could do them, and but they charged a little extra for shipping and production to do it. I think it was like an extra $25 for production and whatever the shipping was. So I think it took them about 2 or 3 weeks, yeah, about 3 weeks to get to me from the time I ordered. So pretty fast. They came from China, you know, so they didn't sit in customs too long. So, but anyway, I like the way it looks, and I found some of the other parts that were already made in carbon fiber, like the lip and the sides, but I'm probably going to end up going with the C7.5 S-line size just because they come out a little more. I just looked at one at a shop I was at for 4 Seasons. The mechanic has a modified C7.5 S6, and it's basically the same body, so it should fit, but I'm gonna see. But anyway, I'm about to install these, and then we'll come back and see how they look. right, you guys, I got them both in. Let's see how they look. pretty good. I like it. See the other side. Then I have the rear spoiler should be showing up next week, and it's in the same forged carbon fiber. One other thing I saw was some companies have this forged carbon fiber that have flakes in it, and the flakes you can get them in colors like gold, red, blue. They have a lot of different colors. So, but I think a lot of times they come in kits that you can order with the different colors and do this yourself. You know, you'll get it comes with the forged carbon fiber flakes, and I think resin and stuff. I've seen some people on YouTube cover some of their own parts with it, but I think there's companies that'll do it for you too. But I might look into that later. But I like the way this looks right now. But of course, if I do the mirrors, the spoiler, I'll probably see about having the roof wrapped in the forged carbon fiber also. And then, like I said, some of the other parts like the side skirt spoiler, the side skirt lip, and the front lip, I found those in forged carbon fiber too, but the front lip I found was for the RS6 bumper that I'm thinking about going ahead and doing, because this bumper needs some work anyway, so I might just go ahead and switch out. I like the way this came out, I like the way it looks. It's just that front lower sport, you can see it's like chipping on spots already, so I might just shave that whole part off where it went down, because that's where it seems to be hitting everything. So, but I'm liking the way it's coming along so far. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys think about how everything came out and how the rest of it's gonna look with the rest of the forged carbon fiber. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.